everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a real quick review on this right here. It is a milk frother. I will put the link and everything down in the description box down below where to purchase all this and the seller that actually sent it to me. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time, so when I had, he'd asked me if I wanted to review some of his products, and he let me pick out a few, and this is one of the things that I picked out. And I've always wanted one because I'm on keto, so I don't drink like just regular milk or just I don't put regular stuff in my coffee. I put like heavy whipping cream. I put stevia extract in it, and sometimes like the skinny syrups and stuff just to give it a little flavor. Because I use heavy whipping cream, I can get my coffee actually really fluffy, and so I really wanted to try one of these out, but it's just one of those things that you never really, like, you want to try, you just never get around to purchasing it. It's so weird. But I got one sent to me, and I was super happy about it. So, like I said, I will put the link and everything on the seller that sent it to me in the description box down below, and the price of it. So this is, I got the black. They had either black or red. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, you turn it on. I would not want to get my hair caught up in that. It just seems like it would tear it out. So this is what it looks like. It came with a little plastic thing. I have not hung it up yet, to where you can attach this thing and then you hang it on the wall like so, and you can actually just store it like that on the wall to keep it off the countertops or in countertops, which I think is a good idea because I have 4 kids, and I was like, if they turn this on and they get their hair caught up in here, that would be horrible. It also came with this, which is, I'm thinking it's to open it. Is it? I don't think it comes out. No, it doesn't come off. So it came with this. I don't know exactly what this is for. Do you know what this is for? Maybe I should read the instructions, because I haven't used that. I've just been using this, and I love it. Yeah, and it does take 2 AA batteries in the back. But it doesn't say, it doesn't show what this is made for. So if you know what this is for, please comment in the description box down below, because I have no clue. It's like that, and then it has like a pokey thing at the other end. I am not sure what it's for. So weird. Okay, so I don't know what that's for. And then it came with a little cute spoon, which is good for just stirring your coffee. Or I know that you can, you know what this is for? This is to make designs with, because you can make designs. So that's what these things are for. See? Just came to my mind. But yeah, so that's what these things are for. These are for to mix and stuff. I was like, I don't know why they give a spoon, because this is what mixes it. This is what makes it frothy or frothy. And then this is to, like, if you want to make like little designs, and then this is to go in and do your swirls and stuff. So that makes sense why it came with that. But I love this so far. I will put a video of me actually using it right now. Okay, so since I'm on keto, this is how I make my coffee. I already put a little splash of this, and then I just grab a spoonful, about like that. And then I use heavy whipping cream because I can't use milk because it has too much sugars. So I just put enough to make it a little light like that. Then, of course, I'm using this to mix it. You just put it in, turn it on. Okay, and you just want to move it. You just want to move it up and down. Don't go too high, because it will spill out. Let's see, like that. Which I put way too much coffee in this cup. It's actually a smaller cup. Oh no, right? So I had to make a mess.
Kura, come here.
Just get a rag and clean it up. But as you can see,
how frothy it is and everything. And it's so good. It mixes it so well.
So that was me using it. I did make a huge mess just because I didn't use a big enough cup. And I always fill my coffee way too full. So I actually bought another cup that's huge and it gives me a lot of room to work with, which I suggest that if you have one of these because it gets a little crazy if you're not careful. But yes, I would highly recommend this. I love it. I'm glad that it got sent to me. I will be using it. It's like one of those products that I'm happy to have in my life now, and I will be using it. Sad that I didn't buy it sooner, though. Or I didn't purchase one sooner to receiving one. But yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes the video. Bye. God bless.